Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to activate double tap to turn on the screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, I go to lock screen. This is the locked screen, and if I double tap on the locked screen, empty screen, screen will not be wake up, screen is not activated. Okay, but you can activate the screen by double tapping on it. Okay, for that, go to the settings in your phone and then go to advanced features and then go to motions and gestures, and here you will see double tap to turn on screen. Just turn on this button. Now lock your screen and double tap on the blank screen. Phone screen is now active. Okay, so in this way you can easily activate double tap to turn on the screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.